Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Sulaiman Educational Channel.
In this video, we will talk about the formulas related to kinematics and dynamics. So, we will talk about the unit of physical quantity, prefixes, speed, velocity and average speed, acceleration, centripetal force, weight and density. Now we will discuss about the unit of physical quantities. Physical quantities are those quantities that can be measured. So we'll talk about physical quantity, the unit used for that physical quantity and the symbol used for that unit. Kilogram is the unit of mass and is represented by kg. Meter is the unit of length and is represented by m. Second is the unit of time and is represented by s. Ampere is the unit of electric current and is represented by the symbol A. Meter per second is the unit of speed and is represented by the symbol m divided by s. Newton is the unit of force and is represented by capital N. Meter square is the unit of area and is represented by m power 2. Meter cube is the unit of volume and is represented by m power 3. Now we'll discuss about the prefixes that are used in physics. Prefixes are used for multiples. So over here we are going to talk about the multiple, the prefix used for that multiple and the symbol used to represent that prefix. Multiply with 10 to the power 12. The prefix used is tera and it is represented by the symbol capital T. Multiply with 10 to the power 9. The prefix used is giga and is represented by the symbol capital G. Multiply with 10 to the power 6. The prefix used is mega and is represented by the symbol capital M. Multiply with 10 to the power 3. The prefix used is kilo and is represented by the symbol K. Multiply with 10 to the power minus 3. The prefix used is milli and is represented by the symbol M. Multiply with 10 to the power minus 6. The prefix used is micro and is represented by the symbol mu. Multiply with 10 to the power minus 9. The prefix used is nano and is represented by the symbol N. Multiply with 10 to the power minus 12. The prefix used is pico and the symbol used is P. Over here, the most commonly used prefix is milli, micro and the kilo. Milli is represented by 10 to the power minus 3. Kilo is represented by 10 to the power 3 and micro by 10 to the power minus 6. Now we will talk about the formula for speed and velocity. The formula for speed is equal to distance traveled divided by time taken, and the formula for velocity is equal to displacement traveled divided by time taken. Both speed and velocity can be written as v is equal to s divided by t, where v is the speed or velocity in meter per second, s is the distance or displacement traveled in meter, and t is the time taken in second. Now we will talk about the formula for average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance traveled divided by total time taken. The formula can be written as v is equal to s divided by t, where v is the speed in meter per second, s is the total distance traveled in meter, and t is the time taken in seconds. Now we will talk about the formula for acceleration. The formula for acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. The formula can be written as a is equal to v minus u divided by t, where a is the acceleration in meter per second square, v is the final velocity in meter per second, u is the initial velocity in meter per second, and t is the time taken in seconds. Now we will talk about the formula for force. The formula for force is equal to mass into acceleration. The formula can be written as F is equal to m into A, where F is the force in Newton, m is the mass in kilogram, and A is the acceleration in meter per second square. Now we'll talk about the formula for centripetal acceleration. The formula for centripetal acceleration is equal to velocity square divided by radius. The formula can be written as AC is equal to V square divided by R, where AC is the centripetal acceleration in meter per second square, V is the velocity in meter per second, and R is the radius of the circle in meter. Now we'll talk about the formula used for centripetal force. The formula for centripetal force is equals to mass multiplied with centripetal acceleration. The formula can be written as Fc is equal to mac, where Fc is the centripetal force in Newton, m is the mass in kilogram, and ac is the centripetal acceleration in meter per second square. We know that centripetal acceleration is equals to v square upon r. Therefore, the formula can be rewritten as Fc is equals to mv square divided by r, where v is the velocity in meter per second, r is the radius of the circle in meter. Now we will talk about the formula for weight. The formula for weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. The formula can be written as W is equals to m into g, where W is the weight in Newton, m is the mass in kilogram, g is the acceleration due to gravity. Now we will discuss the formula for density. The density is equals to mass divided by volume. The formula can be written as P is equals to m divided by v, where P is the density in kilogram per cubic meter, m is the mass in kilogram, and v is the volume in cubic meter. Keep in mind that rho is the Greek symbol used for representing density, which is similar to P.
This is the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, then do so by clicking the button. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of the latest videos uploaded on our channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share our videos. You can also follow us on our Facebook page. The link is given in the comment section. We will meet again soon with a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.